Ladies and gentlemen, buenos días. Bienvenidos aquí al canal de Sazon Moto, and hopefully all you guys are doing amazing and great. Happy Memorial Day, which is today. So let's get into this. I got this box probably about a week ago. It's been sitting in this house for quite some time, and I wanted to do a quick unboxing. I probably ordered this thing around maybe December, I want to say. So, but yes, that's for that right there. Yes, this is from Monster Fairing. This is gonna look quite amazing on the bike. I wanted a different look. I haven't seen this look on any bike, so I'm pretty excited about this. Hopefully it looks amazing, which I think it will anyways. I wanna go ahead and start unboxing this thing so you guys can see what this thing looks like. So we are back. The box has been opened. So now we get to see, what do we have here? Oh, this comes with a windscreen. Are you serious? A smoked windscreen at that. I don't know if I'm gonna use this because I like my windscreen currently. Now I know I probably have to transfer all the bolts. Oh, this is the low windscreen. I don't want this. But anyone interested, let me know. I'll keep this aside. But yeah, these are supposed to be direct fits. A direct fit for this bike. Oh, looks like I had to install some heat shields. So yeah, it comes with heat shields, which is dope. Wow, look at this. This is the side fairing. Oh, this is gonna look so good. This is gonna look amazing. What? Look at that. Color looks great. This bike is gonna look so different, I can't wait. So for those of you who don't know what my bike looks like, I'm gonna walk into the garage and show you what it is that it looks like. There it is. A lot of people have this this color scheme and this bike, you know, in this exact color. I wanted to go with something different. So, I don't know. Looking at it, it doesn't look like a lot of work, but it might be. We shall see. All these plastics are going to come off, and then we're gonna totally transform her. So I don't know how much plastics are coming off. This is what she looks like now, then you'll see her later. And we are back, ladies and gentlemen. Yesterday was a successful day as far as putting everything together. Was not easy. Again, anything I do with this damn bike is just not easy for whatever freaking reason, but I got it done, I got it completed. She looks freaking amazing. I can't wait till you guys feast your eyes on Luna's new look. Let me know in the comments what you think of the new look. It's crazy because in camera, for some reason, this thing looks white, but it's not. This thing looks amazing. It came out so good. It's better than I anticipated. In person, it looks so much better. Oh my gosh, look at her. She looks amazing. I don't know, let me know in the comments below what you guys think. Woo. Dang, she looks great. Throw in the comments and let me know if she looks good, if this is not a good look for her. I feel like it looks amazing. It pleases me because now she stands out from the rest of the crowd. I needed something different. I've seen a lot of people with the same color scheme. I've walked up to a bike and thought it was mine and was like, wait, there's something off about this bike and realized, oh, it's not mine. So, all right, you guys, hopefully you guys enjoyed that. I think she looks phenomenal. Luna with her new look. She stands out from the rest of the crowd, and yeah, I just wanted to do something short, sweet, and simple. Well, thanks again for your love and support, my Sasamoto family. You guys have been awesome and amazing. You guys have been very supportive as far as everything I've gone through. So drop some comments below. Let me know what you guys think of the new look. You think it's bad? You think it's good? It's different? So definitely enjoy your day. Peace.